What's up guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today's tutorial should last me the cucumber vodka gimlet. You guys ready? Vodka, triple sink, lime juice, ice, mint leaves and cucumber slices. Alright, let's get started. Grab your shaker, add in your cucumber slices and then your mint leaves. Just like so. Then you take a muddle and muddle it all up. There we go. Then 1 shot of lime juice. Few shots of triple sec. And 2 shots of vodka. That's it. Then you add in your ice. Yep. Then you give it a nice hard shake for about 10 to 5 seconds. There we go. Grab your glass and strain it into the glass. And then for decoration, I've got little mint just inside. And there you have it. Cucumber vodka gimlet. Come back tomorrow for another tutorial.